what's up, everybody? We're here in Sandusky on our vacation, and this is a beautiful lake house that I'm gonna give you a tour for. So let's go inside and check it out. Alright. So as you can see, guys, sorry about that. It's a really nice, relaxing room with a fireplace. And this is the kitchen. And oh my god, it is beautiful. But yeah, as we rented this house, I mean, it's just so beautiful. Don't you guys think? Yeah. And then also, this is a living room and with the other side, as you can see. Oh man, so beautiful. Yeah, and if we take a look at the garage, oops, almost fell. With the pool table, and wow, this is an amazing garage. That's house only, do not enter. Yeah. Unfortunately, we're not the owners of this house. This is a rented house. And let me show you some of the bedrooms. And what's real cool about the bedroom is that there's a gate right here. This is my bedroom. Then my little brother, I think it's taking a nap. There's a cool mirror right here. Hi. There's another bedroom. There's a really fancy bathroom right here. Another bedroom. And also a bathroom. Pretty nice, huh? So, yeah. Thumbs up for that. Oh, do you guys want to see the backyard? This is the backyard. So beautiful. Right now it's twizzling. Yeah. Oh man, so beautiful. So, yeah, big credit for that. Well, guys, that's the tour of this really amazing lake house that we stayed in the vacation. Oh my god. Yeah, it's just a really cool house. So, yeah, I hope everyone had a safe 4th of July and wow, it's amazing. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe, leave a comment. See you next time. Have a nice day. And of course, peace out.